Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to put about v equals to first derivative of y. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we got like this. This one we change for v. This one we change for first derivative of v. So we have v and first derivative of v. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we see that we have negative number 1. Negative number 1 next to v. This is for integrating factor. And I will put this one gone here. And we have negative s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So e to the power of s multiplied by e to the power of negative s, that is about number 1. So we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, that is about y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have like this. The integration of s squared, that is about s to the power of 3 over 3. The next one, that is about negative number 2 e to the power of negative s. And I will put about c. Later that we divide both sides by this one. So 1 divided by e to the power of negative s, we can put like this. Similar for this one. So this one, that is about this one. And now this one, that is about dy over the s. Later that we put the s go to the right. So we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 3. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3x squared dx dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we put number 3 cone here, and then we have the integration s squared e to the power of s ds. Now we need to use about integration by parts again, and that is about s squared. So this one, that is about 2s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration s e to the power of s ds. And now we can use another integration by parts again. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, that is about e to the power of s, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have y. This one, that is about this one. So number 2, that is about 2s, and the next one, that is about e to the power of s, but we have another constant, so we put about c number 1, e to the power of s, and we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2, and that is the final answer. I forget number 2 in here. And this is the final answer.